boy. Shout it, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer, killer. Shout it, clap it, shout it tight.
Hi Subbies, hi Subbies, it's good what it is, it's me, I am Dimila Madonga and I'm back once again with another video. So today's video, guys, as you guys have already read by the title, it is another hair review, and this video, it is sponsored by LUVMEHAIR. So if you guys would like to purchase this hair or know more information about this hair, the link is in the description down below. This is a Pixie cut. This is the first for me, but honey boo boo, it's definitely not the last. So if you guys want to know how I got to install and style this wig, please do continue watching this video and you guys will actually see how I actually got this girl on. This is a Pixie cut. I've been looking for a Pixie cut, so I think I actually found the perfect one. So please do continue watching this hair review, and your girl loves you, and yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another hair review or hair install, whatever you guys call it. Okay, so this video, once again, it is sponsored by LUVMEHAIR. Absolutely love working with them because honey boo boo, their hair quality. Okay, so never mind that. So as you guys can see, this wig, there's nothing much to it. It's just it's the first time trying such wigs for me. I've never had a Pixie cut, so I was very excited to actually create this one. Okay, so as you guys can see, this wig is machine made. It does have a T-part lace. It's not a full 13x4 front, so it's just T-part. Okay, so as you guys can see, this wig does have one comb at the back, and obviously, as per usual, 3 combs in front just to secure your wig. And also it does have an elastic band, and as you guys can see, the T-part, that's how it looks. Okay, so with the installation, guys, I'm not going to do too much. As you guys already know, it's either I do a bowl cap method or I just cover my wig cap with foundation like this so that it does match my skin. I'm not going to explain too much again in this video. I'm just going to let everything flow. Everything is self-explanatory. It's just that this wig for me, it was very tricky for me, but I'll keep explaining. So as I mentioned earlier, this wig was a little bit too tricky for me to work with. As you guys can see here, I am really trying to plug this wig because it wasn't pre-plugged. So I actually tried to plug it on myself, but the lace is too short or it's too small for me to work with, so I decided to let that go. And as you guys know, when I'm gluing hair, I use the Ghost Bond. I'm very sorry about the lighting. The lighting really disappointed me, but the show had to move on. I didn't notice though, but we moved, darling. So from here onwards, I'm not going to explain pretty much. I'm just going to keep going as I install this wig. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Everything is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to explain much for now. So see you at the end of the video.
Get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah, we used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rocking them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was Pixie, it was Kiki. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is from when she hugged me, hard as a rock when she touched me. You know, cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. I must have turned you into a butterfly. I had to say hello, tell your nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonya, it
Okay guys, I know I mentioned in my previous video that I'm done with scissors, but for the sake of this video I could not find where my razors are. I showed my previous hair review and I lost my razors, so I had to opt in for the scissors. Again, sorry for the lighting, I really do apologize, but cutting my lace into 3 parts like this makes it so much easier for me to work with. Again guys, use scissors, use razors, it's totally your choice, your preference, but for now I'm just using scissors because I couldn't find my razors. Okay, please don't come for me, I plead. But yeah, I hope you are still tuned in and you are by far at this point of the video. So as you guys have noticed, I've added a new product to my hair installs, which is the spritz spray. Trust me, this, you'll never go wrong. You will never go wrong with this one. So yeah. Now would you look at that guys, like this hair is literally giving sis Judy, you know, it's literally giving sis Judy. But yeah, I really like this hair, I really like the curls and everything on this pixie cut. It's definitely the first for me, but it's definitely not the last. Okay, thank you very much once again to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. If you guys would like to shop this hair or know more information about this hair, you can definitely click the link down in the description down below. Do not forget to save yourself some coins by clicking or by using the discount code, which will be in the description down below. But and that, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe below for more videos. But for me, do me. Bye guys.